Hello everyone, I'm Jacqueline M. Tomboc and I will be your reporter for today. And today's video is Khan Academy. Yes, we will walk through this educational app, Khan Academy. So what exactly is Khan Academy? Khan Academy is a not-for-profit educational organization founded by Salman Khan in 2008. And its mission is pretty awesome because it provides a free, world-class education to anyone and anywhere. Kahit saan ka mang sulok ng mundo, para sa iyo tong Khan Academy. Anyone and anywhere and anytime. No? So their online material covers subjects ranging from math and finance to history and art. So with thousands of bite-sized videos, step-by-step problems and instant progress information, Khan Academy provides a rich and engaging learning experience. And Khan Academy has benefits, na sinabi dito ni Herman 2014. Number 1 is it's free and accessible, libre. No, it costs us nothing. It costs us absolutely nothing to watch videos and work on problems. It is available anywhere with internet. Basta may internet ka lang, accessible ang Khan Academy para sa'yo. So, pwede siyang, pwede mo siyang i-download nga app. Pwede din siyang pumunta ka lang sa Google, tapos i-search mo lang yung Khan Academy, na pupunta ka dun sa website niya. Right. And number 2 benefits is its wide variety of subjects available. No, maraming subjects nga available diyan sa Khan Academy. So there are videos about math, biology, chemistry, and physics. In addition, there are also videos on arts, humanities, economics, and finance. Khan Academy is continually growing, so new subjects and videos are added regularly. So, andito yung mga ibang some of the subjects na inoffer ng Khan Academy. And by the way, guys, ang Khan Academy hindi siya substitute sa curriculum, but it can only be a supplemental addition lang siya sa maaari mo siya i-integrate sa inyong math class, sa inyong physics class, gagamitin niyo ito na app, educational app, but it cannot be substituted sa ating subject mismo, sa curriculum mismo, Hindi na pwede na dito na ako sa Khan Academy, hindi na ako pupunta dun sa school. No, this is just supplemental, for us students. Kasi personally, noon ko usually ito ginagamit yung Khan Academy. Kasi yung past course ko, kasi maraming mga math problems na hindi ko magets masyado, kaya pupunta lang ako dito sa Khan Academy kasi nag-provide sila ng mga practice ng video, ini-explain nila yung concept, then they'll do practice, they practice solving it, and then nagabigay din sila ng practice test sa mga students na nagvi-visit or mayroon nitong Khan Academy na app, enrolled dito na app. Okay, so next, number 3, you can learn and work at your own pace. Wow. You can fast forward, rewind, repeat videos, stop, and work out a problem on your own, all without having to consider other students or the teacher's pace. So kung hindi mo naiintindihan masyado yung topic, yung content, pwede mo na siya i-rewind, pwede mo siya i-watch again, i-fast forward kung alam mo na yung topic, yung yung topic, pwede mo siyang i-fast forward. Unlike sa real time, no, unlike sa, basta wala siyang pressure, no, kasi, pwede siyang, ano ba yan? Anong tawag nito? Pwede kang whole day mag-rewind kung hindi mo talaga na-gets yung for example, yung math na problem na ginagawa, na sinusolve mo. Unlike sa classroom, unlike sa pag mag-depend lang tayo sa classroom or sa tinuturo ng teacher. Sometimes kasi, no, hindi natin mag-gets talaga. And it takes 45 minutes lang sa isang klasehan, hindi pa rin natin magigets. No? So, we can, no, sa Khan Academy, pag uwi natin ng bahay, kung hindi talaga natin nagets yung topic, we can watch, no, sa Khan Academy. Okay. Those who naturally work slower or who are struggling with a particular topic can focus on that topic. Others who may be naturally adept at a certain topic can speed, through sections that are less challenging. Pwede ka din mag-advance dito sa Khan Academy. Right. So, Khan Academy provides an incredible amount of math problems for a variety of grade levels. So, from basic elementary concepts through calculus. One of the best ways to learn is through repetition. The more you do a certain kind of problem, the more familiar you will be with it, and the more you can use the patterns you recognize as a template for solving future problems. Because each problem is randomly generated. Yes. So, okay. Sinabi na dito lahat. Next. Oh, okay. Right. So, hindi lang siya, basta wide siya na variety of math problems from basic elementary concepts through calculus, step by step, and so on and so forth. And also, we need to be aware of its disadvantages sa paggamit ng Khan Academy. So, number 1, it is less interactive than having a face-to-face teacher or tutor. With a physical teacher or tutor, you receive immediate feedback and talk through your thought process. But with Khan Academy videos, you lose that interactivity kasi nga, lang siya, online siya. No? And videos lang siya, wala siyang interaction. Unlike sa pag mag-Google Meet tayo, no, may interaction sa teacher to student, student teacher, and student to teacher. Pero dito sa Khan Academy, parang one way lang talaga siya. No? If you have a question about a certain concept or problem, pag may question ka, no, you cannot talk to another person and have them elaborate it. Kasi, na siya, recorded na yung video. It's much more difficult to you to work through problem-solving processes alone in order to gauge your understanding. Unlike sa face-to-face and teacher or tutor, no, ang disadvantage niya is hindi ka maka-interact sa yung teacher o sa imuhang kauban para mangutana. Number 2, you are only exposed to one teaching style. Some students are auditory learners, others are visual, some are kinesthetic, and many students are mixed. Some students learn best with examples, some students learn best by doing. With Khan Academy, you are restricted to learning how the video teaches you. Okay. And it may or may not be the best way for you to learn as an individual. Next, you lose the collaborative aspect of education. A perk of being in the classroom or on one-on-one is that you can bounce ideas off of each other and work together. You might discover a new way of thinking about something or help one another build off of your mutual knowledge, skills, or strengths and weaknesses. That process cannot be replicated in the same way when learning from videos. Okay. Hindi ka na makaka-collaborate. Hindi kasi individual siya yung Khan Academy. It's for your personal learning. Hindi siya makatabang no sa collaboration. Mawawala yung, sabi pa dito, you lose the collaborative aspect of education. Therefore, it lessens spontaneous creativity. Khan Academy by nature takes away some of the creativity and innovation that develops as you learn. It can only instruct, it cannot inspire and guide you to come to a solution on your own. A fundamental part of education is not only learning the material in conjunction with generating ideas and being able to execute them. No. Kasi one way lang siya. Kung ano yung ituturo ng video, yun lang yung gagawin mo, no? Unlike sa real-time classroom natin, no? Maka-generate tayo ng ideas, maka-create tayo ng sarili nating ideas, no? And able to execute them, sabi pa dito. So, kaya nga, no, everyone, guys, no, na supplemental lang siya. Kaya kung mustan lang akong dito lang tayo aasa din sa Khan Academy, kung yan lang talaga hindi siya maka cater talaga sa learning ng isang student. Okay, supplemental lang siya kasi nga marami siyang meron din siyang mga disadvantages. Okay. Alright, let's go to the impact. Ano ang impact ng Khan Academy? Sabi pa dito, no, sa research na ginawa ni Fundacao Leman 2018, no, ini-study niya yung sa isang school sa Brazil, no, na inintegrate kasi nila yung Khan Academy sa kanilang school, sa kanilang curriculum. And sabi pa dito, ako na lang ha, i-summarize ko na lang. Ang nakuha ko dito is valuable tool daw yung Khan Academy. And nag-offer siya ng flexible and accessible way to learn, no, especially for reinforcing concepts and getting extra practices. Yun yung results ng study na ginawa ni Leman. So, yan, tapos na tayo. In conclusion, guys, ang Khan Academy is a fantastic resource. Yep, and that offers a lot of benefits, especially for us students looking for free and accessible learning materials. The ability to learn at our own pace and the massive library of practice problems are definitely major pluses. However, it's important to be aware of its limitations, like the lack of direct interaction and the potential for distractions. Ultimately, Khan Academy can be a powerful supplement to our education, but it's probably most effective when used in conjunction with other learning methods and resources. So, mas magiging effective siya kapag may kasama siyang conjunction, used in conjunction with other learning methods. Kung may kasama siyang ibang learning methods and resources, hindi lang yung Khan Academy, right? So that ends our discussion. It's the end of our discussion about the Khan Academy. So may insert ako dito na video, but you can skip it, no? Yung video is lang siya kung paano gamitin yung Khan Academy. So here.
Welcome to the Khan Academy. The goal of this video is to show you all the different things that Khan Academy has. It has videos, it has exercises, it has an adaptive super, I guess you could call it, robot tutor thing that will guide you through content and make sure you master it. And so let's just take each of those one by one. So many of y'all are probably coming to the site saying, hey, I have an exam tomorrow on DNA, or I didn't understand quite what's happening in class. Well, there, the best thing to do might just be go to the search bar. Let me make sure you can see the search bar. to go to the search bar and you could search for DNA. And when you do that, you see that your first choice right over here is a DNA video, and this is actually the main video on DNA in which you could start watching. Or if you look to the right over here, you see that there's all other related videos under heredity and genetics. And then you can start browsing from there. You could say, okay, let me back up a second. Let me go back to just all of biology, and I can see all of the sections are there. Similarly, you might want to search for something in mathematics. You might want to say, oh, I have a question about quadratics. So I'm going to do a search there. Like, okay, well, let's see. There's something about using the quadratic formula, factoring quadratics too. Well, I don't know which of these is right for me. So let me just go into one of these and start getting a little bit of context. And so you see that this what I actually just clicked on is actually an exercise that gets me to solve quadratics by factoring 2. And I need to write my answer here. If I don't know the answer, I have a bunch of hints. If this all looks like a Greek to me, I can click on a video that solves a very similar problem. Or I might say, hey, this isn't what I was looking for, but look over here, they're solving a quadratic equation by factoring quadratic equations. Maybe this is what I need to learn. Or maybe I'm not even thinking about this stuff, so let me just move up a level to quadratic equations. And now I can see the whole topic here. Solving quadratics by taking the square root, solving quadratics by factoring, completing the square, the quadratic formula, quadratic equation, graphing quadratics. Now, in general, if you just want to browse, you say, hey, let me just see all the subjects that are available on Khan Academy. You can go to this drop-down right over here. And this starts to give you a sense of the breadth of the content on Khan Academy. So just in math, each of these is an entire subject. So K through second math, you have pre-calculus, goes all the way up to multivariable calculus, integral calculus. And if I were to click on any one of these things, it's going to take me into something called a mission. So a mission, it's going to give me a set of exercises. We call this right over here the mission warm-up. And based on how I perform on these calculus questions, the system is trying to get a sense of what I know and don't know, and then it will use that to give me guided practice so that I can learn more and more and more calculus, eventually mastering calculus. At any point, if I have difficulty, there's always videos here that will help me understand the actual calculus. And so once I'm done with that, I will go to this dashboard and it'll just tell me about how much have I progressed in integral calculus, what have I mastered, what have I not practiced yet, what are my different badges. Now, if you do not want to move immediately into this mission world and you want to say, hey, well, what does Khan Academy have when it comes to calculus in an unguided way? Well, that's where you go view full list of integral calculus content. And then you will go to this page where you see the breadth and scope of the integral content, integrals, integration techniques, integration applications, sequences and series, AP calculus practice problems. And if you click there, you see the different tutorials with them. Indefinite integrals as antiderivative, area under a rate function as net change. So hopefully that gives you a sense of things, and we don't just have math and we just don't have science. We have a whole section here on computer programming, which is tons of fun, where you can write your own computer programs. I'm using my son's account right now. This is a computer program that we wrote. This right here is a computer program that we wrote together the other day. It was good father-son bonding time. And we have things in the arts and humanities like history and art history, which is also very, very, very exciting. And we have partner content. We have partner content from the likes of the Museum of Modern Art, Expositorium, J.P. Getty Museum, the British Museum. So a lot of stuff here. Hopefully this video gives you a flavor of the different ways that you can use Khan Academy.
Okay, tapos na. So, yun naman guys. Salamat sa kikinig, and hopefully you will use this Khan Academy sometime soon. Thanks.